Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today, we will be making Tinolang Mamsa, or what we call the fish stew or fish soup. So what are the ingredients? That would be iba, scallion, ginger, tomatoes, lemongrass, chili, and malunggay. And of course, you don't forget the fish. That's the main ingredient, plus season it with salt. And I've used actually the second wash of the rice water here. As they say, there are still some nutrients actually that you can get from the rice water. So you can place all the ingredients now and just leave some of the scallions at the last part. So after boiling the water, you can add now the fish and all the ingredients and let it simmer for a few minutes. Then you can actually season it with salt. Then you can place the malunggay. Let it simmer for a while. Add the remaining scallions. Scallions are excellent source of essential nutrients, just like malunggay or moringa, wherein they're highly nutritious as well. Then you can add pepper. So let it simmer for additional 2 or 3 minutes. And the best way to tell your fish is done is by testing it with a fork at an angle, or it will lose its translucent or raw appearance. That's it, and pair it perfectly with rice, or if not, just eat the soupy fish. Thanks for watching. Ayo ayo!